Yeah, so when you dance Botafogo with your partner, first of all, get your rib cage over the leg, so don't stay here. Okay, and then we add a little bit style to it. You have 1, 2, you're gonna have your elbow here, and then arm gonna go gradually up. 3, 2 legs straight, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you go through here to there. 3, 4. Let's start maybe with the high position. 4. Now going over, 4. Bend the leg, bend the leg. No, stay here. Go over the leg. 1, 2. Elbow forward here. And 3, 4. Watch. From here, you turn your wrist and glide it, slide it, touching your body forward behind your ear here, boom, and boom, there. Over your neck, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And remember, and, always do and, recovery of your knee, 2, and 3, and 4, and, yes. Arm style, stay here. And this arm, you want to go all the way behind your neck till here. Very good. Let's try together.